Friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to change or how to customize the ringtone in this device. For this, go to settings and scroll down. Here you can see the option sounds and vibration. Tap on this one. Then again scroll down, tap on ringtone. Now you can see the ringtone is realme. So here you can see two default themes under system themes, classic themes and aquamorphic themes. From here you will get inbuilt ringtones. Simply here I am going to change the ringtone. Tap on classic themes. Now you can see it's realme and you can select any ringtone from here. So here I select the ringtone fresh morning, go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So same this way you can select a ringtone from the aquamorphic themes also. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So in case if you want to customize or if you want to set a ringtone that you downloaded to your device, tap on the option on this device and it will directly go to the file where you download the MP3 file. And from here you can easily select the ringtone. So here I am going to select this one. Now I select this one. Now go back. Now you can see the ringtone is changed. So simply in this way you can change or customize the ringtone in this device. So hope you guys enjoy this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.